Good morning, students. In our last video, we have started probability for NDA, and that was a video completely based on the concepts of probability. Now, in this video, it comes the turn of application of those concepts, and we will solve questions from our book, that is Mathematics for NDA and NA by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. Then let's start. Our very first question is, a die is thrown. एक डाइस को उछाला गया. What is the probability of getting a prime number? देखिए बेटा, सबसे पहले हम इसको थोड़ा डिटेल से समझते हैं. What is our experiment? Experiment is throwing a dice. Sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called sample space. The outcomes of throwing a dice are either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Any one of these can come as an outcome of throwing a dice. Upper face पर कुछ भी आ सकता है इनमें से. Then after, what is our desired event? We want to get a prime number. Then our event will be the set of desired outcomes. Prime, the number that is not divisible by any number excepting 1 and itself. You can say the number having only 2 factors. 1 is neither composite nor prime. Why? Because it has only 1 factor. प्राइम नंबर में 2 ही फैक्टर होने चाहिए, ना उससे कम ना उससे ज्यादा. 2, 3 and 5, all these have 2 factors each, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 5. Then these are the prime numbers. Now, what is the probability of event E? Number of elements in our desired event divided by number of elements in sample space. How many number of elements are here? Just count it. 1, 2, 3. And number of elements in our sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then probability will be 3 divided by 6, and that is 1 by 2. Our second question is, a fair coin is tossed twice. एक coin को 2 बार उछाला गया. Sample space have 4 elements. Head in first toss, maybe head in second toss. Head in first toss, there may be tail in second toss. It is also possible that there is tail in first toss but head in second toss, and both tosses have tails also. Okay. Our desired event is, what is the probability of getting heads in both trials? Head in first as well as second trial. Probability of this event is number of elements in this event divided by number of elements in sample space. A coin is tossed successively 3 times. The probability of getting 1 head or 2 heads is either 1 head or 2 heads. First of all, our sample space. Okay. Coin is tossed 3 times. Head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, and there is no tail. 1 tail in last try, in second try, and in first try. There may be 2 tails and 1 head, tail, head, tail, and head, tail, tail, and there may be this case also. There are all 3 tails. Just count these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A coin is tossed 3 times. number of possible outcomes 2 in first try, 2 in second try and 2 in third try. The total number of outcomes must be 8. Clear? Then after, our desired event is the probability of getting one head or two heads. One head or two heads. यहां पर 3 हेड्स हैं, यहां पर कोई हेड नहीं है, तो इस इवेंट में आइदर वन हेड, उन सब एलिमेंट्स को उठा लीजिए जिनमें वन हेड हो, और टू हेड्स उनको भी उठा लीजिए जिनमें टू हेड्स हैं. Okay, and our probability of this event will be number of elements in event divided by number of elements in sample space, and that is 3/4. Next, it comes to question number 4. In a simultaneous throw of 2 dice, we have thrown 1, 2 dice. Simultaneous throw. How many number of elements there will be in sample space? 6 multiplied by 6, 36. Number of elements in sample space 36. Direct attempt कीजिए अब. The probability of getting a total of 7. Okay. How it can happen? If there is 1 on first dice and 6 on second, it may also happen when there is 2 on first and 5 on second. Also 3, 4 on first and 3 on second. Okay, 5 on first and 2 on second, and as well 6 on first and 1 on second dice. These are the possible cases when there will be the total as 7. Number of elements in this event are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and probability of this event will be number of elements in our event divided by total number of elements in sample space, and that will be 1/6. Clear? Okay, let's come to question number 5. Tickets numbered from 1 to 20 are mixed up together. There are 20 tickets, each have a number starting from 1 to 20, and they are mixed with each other, and we put those in a box. Okay, then a ticket is drawn at random, और फिर उनमें से हमने एक टिकट को randomly उठा लिया. The number of elements in our sample space is clear, 20. एक को हमने उठाया. What is the probability that ticket drawn has a number which is a multiple of 3 or 4? इवेंट क्या है कि जो हमने उठाया वो या तो मल्टीपल है 3 का या फिर मल्टीपल है 4 का. लेट्स चेक. 3, 6, 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21, and there is no ticket having number 21. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Already we have taken 12. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. The number of elements in our this event are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then probability of this event is 10 divided by 20, and that is 1/2. That is your 6th question, having 52 elements in sample space. One out of those is drawn, and what is the condition? What is the probability that the card drawn is either red or a king? Okay, event. Card drawn is either red or a king. How many red cards are there? 13 plus 13. hearts and diamond. These are red in color. There are 13 cards of diamond and 13 cards of heart. Okay, as well, or a king. How many kings are there? There are 4 kings, but 2 kings are already included in this. Then remaining kings are 2. Therefore, the number of elements in our event will be 30 plus 13 plus 2, 26 plus 2, 28, and probability of this event will be 28 divided by 52, and then it is 7 divided by 13. Seventh question. The probability that a card drawn from a pack of 52 cards. This is also a same kind question. Number of elements in our sample space is 52. Card will be a diamond or a king. Number of elements in our event. There are 13 diamonds plus 3 kings excepting the king of diamond, because that is already included, and total numbers are 16. Therefore, probability of this event will be 16 divided by 52. 4 4s are 16 and 4 13s are 52. That is 4 by 13. Okay, let's come to question number 8. A card is drawn from a well-spread pack of 52 cards. The probability of getting a queen of club or a king of heart. Number of elements in sample space 52. Number of elements in our event 1 plus 1. Why 1 plus 1? The condition is queen of club. There is one and only one queen in club. Or king of hearts. There is one and only one king of hearts. Then total number of elements 2, and probability will be 2 by 52. That is 1 upon 26. Okay, ninth question. 2 cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. 2 cards are drawn. यहाँ थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन का तरीका चेंज हो जाता है. देखिए, सैंपल स्पेस में एलिमेंट कितने होंगे? ये होगा नंबर ऑफ वेज इन विच 2 cards can be drawn out of 52, and that will be 52C2. Clear? Okay. Now let's come to our probability. यहाँ हम डायरेक्टली लिखेंगे नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सैंपल स्पेस 52C2. The number of ways in which 2 cards can be drawn out of 50 का NCR. R elements can be drawn out of N elements randomly. Okay. And the condition is, what is the probability that the card drawn are both A's? How many total A's are there? There are 4 A's, and 2 A's can be drawn in 4C2 ways. Therefore, probability of this event will be 4C2 divided by 52C2. Let's expand it. 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 minus 2, that is 2 factorial, divided by 52 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiplied by 52 minus 2, that is 50 factorial, and just solve it. 221. 10. Whatever 10th question says, a bag contains 9 black balls and 12 white balls. One ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the drawn ball is white? What is our sample space? A bag contains 9 black balls. We have 9 black balls plus what is also is there in this bag? 12 white balls. 12 white balls. The number of elements in this sample space, total number of balls, 21. Okay. Question is, what is the probability that the ball drawn is white? Number of elements in our event is 12 only, because our event is drawing white balls. The probability of this event will be 12 divided by 21. 3 4s are and 3 7s are 21. Question number 11. A bag contains 8 red and 5 white ball. 8 red and 5 white balls, total 13 balls. Number of elements in our sample space, the number of ways in which 3 balls can be drawn out of 13. Okay. 3 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that all drawn balls are red? And number of elements in our event will be, there are 8 red balls, and probability of this event will be number of elements in our event divided by number of elements in sample space. Just calculate it. A bag contains 6 white and 4 red balls. 6 white ball, 4 red balls. 3 balls are drawn at random. यहाँ फिर से हम 3 balls को ड्रा कर रहे हैं. तो number of elements in sample space will be 6 plus 4, 10 C3. The number of ways in which 3 balls can be drawn out of these 10 balls. Okay. What is the probability that 1 ball is red and other 2 balls are white? Number of elements in our event. 1 ball is red and other 2 balls are white, and then you will calculate your probability just by dividing number of elements in your event by number of elements in sample space.